Hello, today in this chapter we will learn about HTML quotations. So we will explain today about the block quotes, ABBR, address, site and video. So you can see that I have written one piece of code, that is first one, that is a block quote. So I have written here is a quote from WWF's website, block quote. For 50 years, WWF has been protecting the future of nature, the world's leading conservation organization. WWF works in 100 countries and is supported by 1.2 million members in the United States and close to 5 million globally. And this is a paired tag even. So this tag is closed here. So if I will run this program, you will see so the output. So here is a quote from WWF website. So this is the simple paragraph tag. So this is the output, and whatever I have written in block quote, so it is quoted like this way. So our next code is vaccine goal is to, so this is the simplified quotation. So this Q code, it will put a double quotation on some sentence. So Q and end of Q quotation. So if you see vaccine goal is to, so this is the simple sentence that has been written here, and whatever inside the QQ tag, it is quoted with quotation marks. Next is the ABBR code tag. The abbreviation title World Health Organization. So title is an attribute, and this is the value of this attribute WHO ABBR. So this tag is closed. This is start tag, this is a closing tag, and in between these tags it is written WHO was founded in 1948. So you will see that the WHO, so if I will hover a mouse over this WHO World Health Organization, you can see a tooltip is appearing here. This WHO, you can see this is the basically abbreviation. So when I am hovering a mouse over here, World Health Organization, this tooltip is appearing there. Next is address. You can see this is address written by John Doe. Visit us at blah blah. This is some code, text. So the text in address element usually renders in italic in the browser, and add a line break before and after the address element. So you can see before and after it introduced line break. After this line there is a line break. Next is site. So this HTML site tag defines the title of a creative work. For example, a book, a poem, a song, a movie, a painting, a picture, a sculpture, etc. Whatever. So the site, the screen, so it will show a little bit in italic form by Edward, painted in 1893. So whatever inside the tag site, so it will show as italic, as you can see here. The screen, you can see the screen So whatever inside this tag, site tag, it is in italic form. Balance everything, it is in normal writing. Next is video. So what video will do, it will override the current text direction. So this text will be written from right to left. So this is the text. I have put a direction RTL, right to left. So if you can see, if see, this is the this THIS, it reversed in right to left direction. So video, it reversed the direction of text. So video means bidirectional override.